Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. So this question belongs to GATE CSE 1998. The question is, which of the following operation is commutative but not associative? Okay, so the question is quite simple guys. So while discussing about the gates only, I have clearly told you to remember which follows which, right? Yes. So if you recall, what exactly is commutative guys? So if you say x into y is equals to y into x, so this is commutative. And what is associative? X into y into z is equals to x into y into z. So this is associative. So this is a commutative and this is associative. If you recall, both of these will be followed by and OR gate. So both of them will be followed. Okay, coming to NAND gate. NAND gate follows associative. Okay, so NAND gate follows associative, but it will not. Okay, sorry, just give me a second. Okay, so let me cross check it guys, because I don't want to do silly mistake. Okay, so just give me a second. I'm just opening the book. Even I'll be showing it to you guys. Just a second. Okay, so we have clearly wrote. Okay, so I think NAND will not follow associative guys. So just give me a second. Okay, so OR follows idempotent, associative and commutative. Similarly, AND also follows idempotent, associative and commutative. Okay, when coming to NOR follows only commutative. NAND follows only commutative. So that is what we want, right? So only following commutative is a NAND. Okay, so 3 could be the answer. What about XOR? So XOR follows associative, commutative and it follows associative and commutative. It will not follow idempotent guys. Okay, so anyway, please try to remember these things guys, because in examination 100% we feel confused. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So exactly, this is a memory based question, or if you want you can just cross check guys. So NAND, right? Okay, so it is the opposite of AND. Okay, so if I try to write associative for this, okay, so it is nothing but A dot B complement into C complement is equals to A dot B dot C complement whole complement. Okay, so anyway, let me solve it guys. So first, few students will be saying that remembering is really tough. Can you say any other way? So you can test in this way. But in examination, if you waste testing these things in time, that will be a disadvantage guys, to be clear. So let us apply this complement inside. So that complement will complement this again. So and those two will cancel off, plus a C. Okay, so that is nothing but A dot B plus a C. Coming to this, if you apply the complement inside, it becomes A plus a BC. So these both are not equal, right? Yes. So with that understanding also, you can say C is the correct answer, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.